Okay, so let's make a Long Island iced tea. So first thing you're going to need is a highball glass, and we've got them right here. And as we're doing the built version, you're going to need to get rid of that ice, so you've got your nice chilled glass to start building. Now what you're going to do is add your alcohols. So we've got our vodka here, and we're going to add 15 ml of our vodka. And we've got 15 ml of our Blanco Tequila. Nope, that is our White Rum. This is our Blanco Tequila, and 15 ml of this one then. And then 15 ml of our Hendrick's gin. We're using Hendrick's because it's not a dry gin. And then 15 ml of our Cointreau. We're going to be wanting to use 10 ml of our simple syrup. And finally 30 ml of fresh squeezed lemon juice. I've already done it here, so just pour that straight in. Right, so that's all the ingredients added to our built in the glass version of this cocktail. So now we're going to add some ice. Oh, maybe that's a bit too much ice. Right, and then finally, just going to add a tiny bit of Coke to top, and it will layer nicely. And then finally, we're going to just add a couple of straws. And finally garnish with a bit of lemon. And there we have it, a Long Island iced tea built.